So today we are exploring dirt. We're exploring dirt and we are exploring some construction. So this is a dirt rock. So they kind of don't break. They only break if you hit it or just like be like ferocious and do all that neat stuff to it. Don't break if you do all that. So you guys probably know that this is right here. It's a dozer. You possibly know that.
But what do you use a dozer for?
To like push all the dirt. So let's say I'm in there. So I'm pushing all the dirt. And I'm pushing it all the way over here to this plane.
This kid's drunk.
I'm in there. So I'm going over here. See what I can find. So right here is metal. So how they drive is these go that way and they come under there and go over this way. So this is how they, those on the back and they're sharp and they go this way. They're very sharp. So I'm going to see if I'm doing this. So I might see some stuff you might know. Now I'm sitting in the wall. I'm just doing good here. So I'm just looking, okay? So there's a seat right here, right there. So I'm just gonna climb down. So like I'm gonna explore the dirt now. So look, they're saying, well, they don't break into, they skip. They do. Now we're gonna go see that truck right there, and we're right now. So we are gonna be looking at those and seeing what I can do. Because YouTube, YouTube is not just how you ferocious stuff.
What are you doing, Avery?
I'm painting this here. And
Oh, this is a roller.
I know.
Okay.
So look, these are the steps of the roller.
Hey, don't climb up them though.
So this is the wheel, big wheel, right? So right here is the thing that you have on your car sometimes. Some cars already have them. But this right here is the one that rolls. And when it rolls, these are two wheels. So this is a wheel actually, but it's that it rolls and it makes it bumpy. So so this right here is bumpy because of these. Because it rolled all over the
All right,
place.
Cam, let's wrap up this video. Hit him with a tagline.
Make sure you give the thumbs up and subscribe and stay in the wild and give us a comment below and stay in the dirt and be safe. Done.
Camden, oh, you're done? Okay.
Yeah. Today,
Yes, sir.
I'm going to keep the phone up because